New Delhi has urged Chinese authorities to ensure Indian travelers are not selectively targeted, detained or harassed at airports after an Arunachal Pradesh woman was reportedly mistreated at Shanghai airport over her passport. The MEA has now advised Indian citizens to exercise caution while travelling to or transiting through China. Rajnath Singh says the full Vande Mataram and Anand Mat were never anti-Islam, urges restoring the song's true glory, accuses the Congress of appeasement politics leading to India's division. Indigo has lost 4.8 billion in market value after the government signals strict action over mass flight cancellations that's crippled air travel. Aviation Minister Ram Mohan Naidu says penalties will set an example as scrutiny grows over Indigo's dominance and lapses that led to the pilot shortage chaos. Supreme Court asked Siddaramaiah to respond to plea challenging 2023 Varuna win. Petitioner K. Shankara has asked the Apex Court seeks to annul Chief Minister's election over alleged corrupt practices that was dismissed by the Karnataka High Court. Now, the matter in Supreme Court, Siddaramaiah will have to respond. Bengaluru Civic Authorities report 22,539 potholes has been filled in Bengaluru, says Bengaluru Civic Body. The newly formulated GBA, Greater Bengaluru Authority, says work is on. 4,800 crores has been spent on road development projects and they've now so far done a good job with filling nearly 22,000 odd potholes. Now, remember, 1,682 kilometers of major roads in Bengaluru need to be upgraded. That includes concrete, white topping, high-density corridor projects to ease congestion. And the government says it's on track. Puducherry caps Vijay's December 9th public meet at 5,000 attendees itself. No more than 5,000 attendees. And also, they will have to come in only through a QR code. Tap into the QR code and then you're allowed. This has happened after the Karur stampede that killed 41 people. Authorities say safety compliance will be strictly monitored at TVK rallies. In fact, this is more of a meeting and less of a rally. High security also put in place. Telugu actor NTR Jr. now moves Delhi High Court to safeguard his personality rights, urging action against circulation of objectionable content on social media and e-commerce platforms. The High Court directs platforms to treat plea under IT rules and respond within 3 days' time, with next hearing on December 22nd. China hails Modi-Putin talks, saying India, Russia and China as key global South economies will work together to strengthen bilateral ties and advance cooperation. J.D. Vance calls mass migration a theft of American dreams, sparking criticism over hypocrisy as his wife is daughter of Indian immigrants. Users mockingly suggest sending his family back to India.